How to fix TikTok repost button not showing. So if you want to fix TikTok repost button not showing, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, now if you want to repost any post, then you just need to simply tap and hold on to that video, and then you will have repost option right here. But if you don't find this repost option, then you just need to simply do a few steps. So first thing you can make sure is the app is up to date. So open up your Play Store, go with search and search for TikTok. After searching, if you have any updates, then you can go and update the application. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then tap and hold on to your TikTok application and then go with the app info. Scroll down, go with storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. After clearing your cache, now your problem might be fixed. You just need to simply go and restart your device, press and hold on to that power button, tap on restart, and after restarting, you'll be able to have your repost button on your TikTok. So that's it. That's how you can fix your TikTok repost button not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.